Hey everyone, so I don't know about you all, but I am taking advantage of this nice little break that we're having to kind of invest in myself. And if investing means to find ways to lighten my pigmentation or to find some real good chapstick for these ashy lips, I'm going to take advantage of it. I've decided that I would use the turmeric mask. I found it on Pinterest, and the last time I used it, it turned out pretty well, but I was sketchy about how much it'll stain my face. As you can clearly see, there's a difference between the turmeric and the pigmentation of my face. So I used turmeric. This time I used apple cider vinegar, honey, and it asks for milk this time. Last time I just used the lemon juice, so I guess the cider is another supplement for the acidity that the mask is calling for. So hopefully in the next, I've been waiting for almost 10 minutes now, so probably for the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna see what this sucker does, and hopefully it'll work. It won't be in vain. If not, I may have to do a series of, applications, and, hopefully I won't look like Michael Jackson post Thriller. So yeah, stay tuned and we shall see. So I'm back. As you can see, not much has changed. I mean, I do feel a little bit of tightness, but a good tightness in my skin. And so granted, those little black spots, they're still there, but I'm optimistic over time. Hopefully they'll fade away, right? So when you're washing this off, please be sure that you have at least a nice washcloth. I like to use white ones for my face and then the colored ones for my body. Don't judge me. So if you don't use a colored one for your face, your washcloth will look something like this. It'll go away once you wash it a couple of times, but that's just FYI. I like to use this little soap. Clinique is really, really good when it comes to tackling oily skin. I have a lot of oil embedded in my skin, and so using Clinique is giving me some of the best results. Also, I don't know if you can see it, Dickerson's Witch Hazel. I know certain people don't like to use witch hazel, but it's worked for me. I guess whatever works for you. Whatever yields the best results, use that. Otherwise, I mean, I haven't seen too many of my cousins up there vouching for other products outside of witch hazel. So if there's something better, please be sure to let me know. That's all for today. If you have any suggestions on future videos that you think I should do, I think next I'll probably do something for these ashy lips, and no judgment in the comments, because I will be screenshotting examples of what lips should not look like. Bye-bye.